Sometimes it's hard to tell, Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So good morning, you guys. Right now I'm in the kitchen. It's about 10 in the morning. The kids are out of school for Friday. They had half a day yesterday and they're out of school today. So I'm in the kitchen, about to make some breakfast pancakes. Bae is about to cut us some home fries, and we're gonna do eggs and bacon. So that's breakfast for this morning. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Y'all already got pancake mix literally on my shirts. Crazy, right? Girl is in here getting this stuff together. I'm waiting for my pan to get hot. So here I'm using this today, and then my oven is on. Waiting for that to get hot. The kids are in the living room watching TV, y'all. Cairo's over here making all this noise. Legend is digging in the cabinet, you guys. Yeah, full day, full morning. I got a package. I'm gonna show you guys what I got because I honestly forgot what I got, y'all. So we're starting this morning off with some breakfast, bacon, eggs, pancakes, and some hash browns. Yes, baby. He's ready to eat, so let's let him eat. But this is what we got. They requested some whipped cream. So, yeah. So for tonight for dinner, you guys, we're having this white cheddar and broccoli roni. I ended up using 4 boxes because it wasn't that much noodles in the box, and I did end up put extra noodles with it, baked chicken, and we're going to be having some honey butter biscuits as well, y'all. So like I said, I put more noodles to make it go further. I also went in with some Alfredo sauce, you guys, to make it stretch even further, because I know with those 4 packs it might not have been enough seasoning, you guys, but it turned out really good nonetheless. But that's what we had for dinner. I just wanted to come show you guys me cooking, putting together. So yeah. If I'm wondering where the girls are, they outside with their daddy. They're bugging him, doing something, running around, cutting up. Pop, don't step on your toys, but yeah, I'm just sitting right here watching my kids play, and Fat and Leggy fighting over a toy. And Pop keep breaking his shoes because he think it's time for him to go to school, y'all. And I keep telling him, no school today, baby. It's Friday, no school. What are you guys doing on this Friday? Nope, no school, baby. What are you guys doing on this Friday, you guys? I'm about to go get some groceries. And cook dinner when I get in the food, so that way it can already be done once we get home, you guys. Yeah, it's a little later in the afternoon now. It's about, I think, 4. So that's what I'm doing now. Breakfast was good. I forgot to show you guys. I just show y'all the plates, but it was so good. And them home fries was so good. Chef's kiss. Alright, you guys, so I just took a shower. Your girl is clean, and I am about to relax and get in the bed, y'all. All the kids are asleep. Thank goodness I put everybody to bed early tonight. Carter is asleep, you guys. Everybody is sound asleep, and y'all hear the TV in the background. Hubby is in there watching, I think it's Day Shift with Jamie Foxx. So yeah, go chill out with him, relax for the rest of the night, and then I'll come back tomorrow. Bye, guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So it's the next day, and I decided to actually keep the ball going. From yesterday, I forgot to come back to you guys. We did end up leaving and going to the store, grabbing a couple of items, but nonetheless, I did not record. Hair change for sure, y'all. I done passed all over fall decor. As y'all can see, the house is not decorated for fall. Girl, I was just like, babe, we went to the barn to get all the decor out, and I'm just over it. I'm so ready for Christmas. So yeah, skipping fall this year, jumping to Christmas. So that's what I'm ready for. So yeah, how you guys doing today? Drinking my water. But yeah, I gotta fold these clothes. And yeah, that's what I gotta do for today. Alright, y'all, so before I finish folding up clothes, I just wanted to come and give you guys words of encouragement. You guys have been helping me get through. I pray that you entertain great hopes, because your future is as bright as God promised, y'all. So I just wanted to come and tell you guys, be mindful and be encouraged. Stay strong, you guys, through these days, y'all. I know it's so crazy out here in the world today, but being mindful and always understanding that God has you. God is always with you unconditionally. He loves you and he sees you, okay? I hope that helps you guys, because it always helps me to be mindful and to understand where I am in the world and who I am around, who I surround myself with. Positivity is what makes everything so much better, and being with people that actually understand and actually love you, y'all, will help you get through these crazy days and times. I promise you. Y'all, what is y'all least favorite chore? Mine is folding clothes. Oh, I hate folding clothes. With a passion. It's a job to get done. It's a job that gotta get done. What's wrong, Fat Fat? Y'all, Fat ain't sleeping. What? You go big sissy? Yes. So I got all the clothes folded up. I don't know why, but y'all, it looked like it was more clothes in this. Mina Bima has what is it? The pillowcases and covers in that basket. So we're about to put this stuff up, y'all, but this is all the stuff. Child, I hate folding clothes, but nonetheless, it got done. This right here just got to be put in my closet, sweater, and my robe. And we're done. We're done. And then now it's time for us to go cook some dinner.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. I'm in love with you. May I bless you? Let's say.
Fat up. No, don't mess with Fat. Ain't sleep, man. He sleep, baby. And corns, y'all, they are cooking. So these are the baked pork chops, y'all, that are cooking.
I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, well, well. Wow, we're going to What is this one?
The brush is even.
You wanna know this? We can Hey, wait, Mama, is it gonna be one of those?
Mm-hmm.
Still